Look up, look up. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my little garden. This is lemon right here, guys. And I got a little guava tree right here in the center. This is the guava trying to regrow again. Look at that little tiny plant. That's a guava. So follow my channel for more and watch this guava tree get back to real big. Alright guys, so enjoy my plants. Let me know in the comment if you like plants. Just enjoy my plants. That's a mimosa. Yes guys. Over here we got a butterfly bush. Nice purple bloom. Yes, this is a butterfly bush. See the butterfly bush? Nice bloom. And over here, this is Mr. Grape. Yes guys, this is Mr. Grape. See? There go baby grape. But this is the grape tree. And look what it do, guys. It's all coming out of a bucket. So like, share, subscribe, and follow for more grapes. See, it got baby grapes right there. Where is it? Right there, guys. That's baby grapes. So if you love my plants, all my video, leave a comment, follow, like, and share. Enjoy, guys. Thank you for watching. Catch you later.